This is an S10 Chevy pickup that came not blowing cold air while the AC was on, and I checked it out and found out that the air compressor clutch was cycling on and off too soon. So this is usually due low in gas on the air conditioning system. So this is what
Now
I
I'm
did to
gonna
the truck.
evacuate the system, taking the gas out. Go here. Cycle. Check the oil. Oil. Some oil comes out. You have to add it up. This is the oil drain. It's between 3 and 4. So if it start going up, that's the one you have to add. You could put a ring over here, a marker over here, so you know. Okay, between 3 and 4. Go over here. And then we put here, yes, continue. The valves are connect and open. Yes. Now we wait till the pressure start going lower. It comes to like a vacuum. The ignitor's gonna go down. It becomes a vacuum. See? Car have to be off, of course. And then, meanwhile, you can look at the amount required of gas. You will see a sticker over here. It says there 1 pound and 12 ounces. So that's in ounces, that's 28 ounces total. So I'm gonna be putting 28 ounces after the system drain. And then the oil, whatever oil came out. Okay? Okay. Okay, here we are again. The pressure, like I said, it's on vacuum now, still on. It's gonna turn on by itself. Say I have time left, 1 minute and 34, 1 minute and a half. Let me check the oil level here. It's still the same, between 3 and 4. So I haven't got no oil out yet. Have to put 28 ounces. I recovered 0.7 pounds only. So the system is leaking somewhere. But now the customer only wanna evac and recharge. Which if it got a very slow leak, it's gonna be a while for it to see where the leak is from. Okay, now it's stopped. So oil draining process. Let me see. This one is here is for the new oil if we need to add some. See, got 2 bottles, one for the oil and one for the charge oil. Well, I'm gonna stop doing. Okay. We got 10 pounds here. Let me put 28 ounces. Now I go to the charge. Then here I'll go to, I could put 2 pounds and 12 ounces. I'm gonna go to unit of measures. Now I'm going to clear, and I'm gonna put 28 ounces. There you go, 28 ounces. And yes, then the car is off. It's okay to do it. The car will be running. I'll put it in low side. Yes, continue. These meters are gonna start coming up as soon as the gas starts going inside the system. Clearing. Okay. Now we're gonna see that happening. There we go. 2 ounces, 4 ounces, 5 ounces, liters going off. What's going on? 11 ounces, 12 ounces, 13 ounces, 14 ounces, 15 ounces. 1 pound, 17 ounces, 18, 19. Six, 27, 28. Stop by itself. Okay. Continue. Alrighty. So let's go to the next thing. Everything is on here. Okay, here I turn on the car. You can see the gauges. The pressure is higher. The AC is staying on. It's not cycling on and off. have to let it settle down for a little bit. So it should be between 35 and 45, so on. We have to stabilize a little bit. There we go. Okay. So now we turn off the car, close the valve, and disconnect the hoses.